Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. As you can tell, I am doing something a little different today. It's Friday, and I thought we could have some fun. I'm dressed as a scientist. I take my job as a scientist very seriously. I have my scientist slippers on. I'm not sure every scientist wears slippers when they go to work, but I do today. So, we are going to do a science experiment today. We've been talking about weather all week, and we are gonna make a rain cloud. We read this book, Little Cloud by Eric Carle, and at the end, if you remember, the clouds came together. They came together and formed a big cloud, and then the cloud got heavy, and then what happened? It rained, right? So we're gonna make a rain cloud at home. Now, with any science experiment, you need to first get dressed. So I have on my lab coat, my gloves, my goggles. Now, nothing that we're working with today is dangerous, but it's still fun to pretend, right? So I'm in my science gear. If you want to do this at home, you won't need science gear, but if you have some, it's fun. And we have a glass, vase of water, shaving cream, and food coloring, okay? And we're gonna make our cloud. I'm gonna take my gloves off. All right. So we're gonna use the shaving cream as a cloud. It's gonna be our cloud. What do you think it's gonna look like if it's a cloud? Do you think it's gonna be straight, or do you think it's gonna be nice and fluffy? Nice and fluffy. So here we go, making our cloud. There's our cloud. It's nice and fluffy, sitting at the top of our water. All right, now pick a color, any color. Let's see. I think I want to do blue first. Now, when I add stuff to the cloud, it's going to get even heavier. And something's going to happen. When a cloud gets heavy, it rains, right? So let's see if we can make it rain in the vase. Ready? Whoa, look at that. Do you guys see the rain coming down? What color is it? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this side. Whoa, the cloud is raining. And I'm just dropping it in. Look. Okay, I'm gonna grab the camera now so you can get a closer up look of what is happening. We added stuff to the clouds and it got heavier, and now it's raining. So let's try all the colors. Yellow. I think it'll be more like orange. I wonder what would happen if they started mixing. All right, let's see if that comes out. Look at all of that color. Oh, there's our yellowy orange. Wow. Which one has the most? The green, the yellow, or the blue? All right, we got one more color left to try. Red. I'll just put red all over. It's a rainbow. Sure looks cool. Some of that blue and that green is already rained down all the way to the bottom. Wow. See how it's in droplets, just like raindrops? So if you have these things at home, and you might not, and that's okay, and that's why I filmed it so you guys could see. If you have these things at home, it's a super fun way to think about how clouds work. When they get heavier and heavier and heavier and filled with more liquid, more water, condensation, they start to rain. They get full and they start to drop those water droplets that they're holding. And that's how we have rain. There's our red. All right, friends. Thanks for joining me for that experiment. Scientist Miss Natalie might be back. That was pretty fun. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.